So individual phase-outs deal with limitations to deductions and exemptions and credits. Generally, Congress will put these in to help balance one of their bills. The most common types of phase-outs deal with the phase-out of itemized deductions. It's also known as the PEAS limitation. Also, the personal exemptions phase-out, or the PEP limitation. Those two are the most common that impact individuals. Although there's other types as well that will impact an individual's ability to take IRA deductions, to calculate child tax credits or child dependent care credits, various of the types of other deductions that are limited based on an individual's income. So planning opportunities with any deduction and exemption or credit really focuses in on the decision to whether you would accelerate or defer income, and likewise on the deduction side, whether you could accelerate or defer deductions. And what I mean by that is on the income side, potentially you could make a choice to take a stock option or deferred compensation into account. Also, with regards to capital gains income, it's sometimes easier to time decisions on when you buy or sell securities. Also, with capital gains transactions and installment sales, sometimes that's a way to stretch out payments using an installment sale provision. With deductions, sometimes you need to look, if you're, for instance, in the alternative minimum tax in a year, does it make sense to go ahead and take a deduction this year or to defer it? One thing that's very good for large employers or employers that have cafeteria plans, for employees to put those deductions through their paycheck free of tax for income tax purposes and for FICA and Medicare tax purposes. If it's never in the taxpayer's gross income for tax purposes or adjusted gross income, then the limitations don't come into play. So it would be appropriate to reach out to your CRI tax professional if there's an event that occurs during the year that is outside of the norm, or if, for instance, you just would like to do some long-range planning. We have the ability internally to do tax projections and planning, which can help you to maximize deductions and to properly time your income.